Hello, welcome to Math with Mrs. Bibb. I want to do a quick video about whether or not these equations are functions. When I look at this first equation, I'm reminded of the fact that this is linear. How do I know that this equation is linear? I know because the degree is 1. All lines are functions except for a vertical line. So if I could look at this line, get it into slope-intercept form, then I could tell you whether or not it's a function. A vertical line is a line that, of course, is vertical. It has an undefined slope. And how you tell when you look at an equation that has an undefined slope is that it does not fit this form, y equals mx plus b. Does this equation that I just solved for y fit the form y equals mx plus b? Yes, it does. So this function, this linear equation is a function. How about this one? Can I put this in the form y equals mx plus b? Well, hopefully you're saying no, because there's not a y. That means that this is a vertical line. I'll show you the graph really quickly. X equals 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where x equals 5. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, negative 1, 5, negative 2, 5, negative 3. This is the equation of this line, and it is not a function because it fails the vertical line test. So this one is not a function. The next one, can this be written in the form y equals mx plus b? There's not an x, but if you substituted 0 in for x, is that the same thing as the equation above? Y equals 0x, which is just 0, minus 1, is 0 minus 1, negative 1. Yes, so this is a function, a linear function. All of these I knew were linear because they had a degree of 1, but look at these two. Are they linear? No, they are not. These are considered to be what's called quadratic because the largest exponent is 2. This one and this one are quadratic because the degree is 2. Quadratics. If your x is squared, your quadratic looks like this or this particular quadratic. This is a parabola in particular. If your y is squared, then it looks like this or this. So I want to look at these two. Would these two pass the vertical line test? Yes, these are functions. Would these two pass the vertical line test? No, they would fail the vertical line test, so they're not functions. Now let's go look at my two equations to decide. Is this a function? The y is squared. The y is squared, so no, it's not a function. Is this a function? The x is squared, y is not. When your x is squared, it looks like one of these two, so yes, this is a function. Last one. Y equals 2x plus 1. Is that linear or is it quadratic? Well, the largest exponent is 1, so that means it's linear. And this is written in the form y equals mx plus b. Therefore, yes, this is a linear function. Thank you. I hope that helps.